Hello guys, good evening everyone. Are we live now? Can you able to hear me? Can you able to see me? Welcome guys, welcome to everyone. Welcome to Unacademy Accelerate platform. So welcome to 3000 practice problems. Hello Vishwa, Parmit, Ananya, Ashish. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Good evening everyone. So guys, welcome to 3000 practice problems. We started matrices and determinants. So this is the second session of matrices and determinants. Hello guys, I'm good. How are you all? I hope you are preparing well. So keep going guys. So let me introduce myself. Myself Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. I have worked in Narayana China campus Hyderabad and Akash Bangalore. I'm from IIT Roorkee. Hello Aradhana. Hello Karthik. Kinshuk Gajwani. Hello. Right. So guys, let's start then. So guys, this is my profile in Unacademy. You can search my name Praneet. You can get my Unacademy profile. You can follow me so that you can able to get all the notifications about my special classes, plus courses, plus batches and all this. Right. So guys, everyone enroll for the Unacademy Combat guys. So Unacademy Combat is India's largest fortnightly most gamified competition ever made by the Unacademy. So in this Unacademy Combat, best questions are prepared by the top faculty, top Unacademy educators. Hello Rakesh. And these challenging questions every alternate Sunday morning 11 a.m. guys. So you can check your real-time ranking and performance with fellow contestants. And you will get video solutions after the exam. And you can check your performance throughout the year. You can check your performance in the last 30 days. How is your performance? Whether your performance increasing or decreasing. All this you can easily check it. Hello Vivek. Okay. And you can win the awards also. For top 50 contestants, you can win Amazon gift vouchers. And separate enrollments for 11th, 12th and 13th guys. Playlist of 3000 practice problems, right? See, you can search in YouTube 3000 practice problems. You can search it, or you can search my name Praneet Kalyanam. You can search my name. You'll get all the 3000 practice problems. Playlist, you can check it. You can check the playlist. In playlist already 3000 problem series is there. Otherwise, message me. I'll send the link. Tanishk, you just message me. I'll send the link. Okay. Right. So guys, this is the format guys. 45 minutes test. Out of this 21 questions are there. 7 from physics, 7 chemistry, 7 maths. And a separate enrollment for 11th, 12th and 13th. It is alternate Sunday. So coming Sunday, that is the day after tomorrow, 6th December morning 11 a.m. we'll have this Unacademy Combat test. So everyone enroll for this. So this is the syllabus guys. This is the syllabus for class 11th, 12th and repeaters. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can prepare. Chalo. So this is a referral code guys. You can use this referral code and enroll for Unacademy Combat. So you can find this in your learning app. In your learning app, you can find it in test. You can see this Unacademy Combat, in your test. So click this and enroll for the respective whether you belongs to 11th, 12th or repeater. You can enroll it now only so that you can able to attend this exam on day after tomorrow. That is hello Manas. Chalo, then let's start guys. Yes, so this is the first question we have. Everyone start doing this question. If omega be the complex cube root of unity, we know the cube roots of unity. 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. So we have few properties of this. 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. that is sum of the cube roots of unity is 0, and omega cube is equals to 1. These two are very important properties of cube roots of unity. Hello Aditya, hello Kavya. You're talking about combat test, Anurag. Unacademy combat will be mains level only. You will get challenging questions of mains level questions only. So why? Because in 45 minutes, 21 questions means what? It should be like mains level only. Hello Shiva. So guys, start doing this question. So what he is saying is p square should not be equals to 0. Let's make matrix P, guys. Let's make matrix P. So if you calculate matrix P, so what we get it is Pij is equals to omega power I plus j. So there is omega square, we get it, and then omega cube, and then omega power 4. So on we get it. And then here omega power n plus 1, omega power n plus 1, omega power n plus 2, like this. We get it like this. Okay. Yeah, keep doing this question, guys. Keep doing this question. So what I can do is, you can take n values, different values of n, you take it. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, all this you can take it, guys. Let's take n is equals to 1. I will take n is equals to 1. If I take n is equals to 1, what I get it? Matrix P is equals to only one element, which is equals to omega square. Yes, so this is non-zero. And what about n is equals to 2, guys? N is equals to 2 also we can make a matrix. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So what we get it? Omega square we get it here. And here omega power 3 we get it. And here also omega power 3 we get it. And again we get omega power 4. So from this we can calculate p square value. P square value we can calculate easily. P square is equals to omega square 1 1 omega into again same matrix. Omega square 1 1 omega. So when you multiply this, let's see what we get it. Omega power 4 plus 1, 1 plus omega and something something we get it. Obviously this is not equals to 0. Correct? Right. So guys, you can search my name in Telegram. This is my Telegram ID, guys. You can search my name in Telegram, Praneet Sir. You can get my Telegram group. There you can message me. Tanish, clear? Yeah, okay. So Asim, have you completed this question? Okay, Anurag, for combat we'll get the mains level questions only. Okay. Hello Sharon. So tell me guys, p square is not equals to 0. Same way we can calculate p cube also. Let's calculate p cube, guys. P square, okay, see, for n is equals to 2 we calculated. Now let's calculate for n is equals to 3. If you calculate for n is equals to 3, what do we get it, guys? Omega square, omega cube, omega power 4, and then what we get it here? Omega power 5, right? Omega cube only we get it, correct? Omega cube, omega power 4 again, omega power 5 and omega power 6, not omega power 6, guys, one second. This is again omega power 4 only, and omega power 5 and omega power 6. That's what we're getting. Yeah, tomorrow mock test will be there, guys. Tomorrow mock test will be at 5:30 p.m. So guys, every day we are taking mock test at 5:30 p.m. It's a free class, special class on a free platform on Unacademy platform, guys. So at 5:30 p.m. there is a mock test on complete syllabus. Okay, everyone come and join, guys. So we can simplify this. If you simplify this, what we get it? Omega square 1 omega. Next 1 omega omega square. Next omega square 1. That's what we're getting it. Now you can calculate p square. If you calculate p square, how much we get it? Everyone try this, guys. If you calculate p square, how much we get it? So p square, let's calculate p square here. Omega square 1 omega. 1 omega omega square 1 into again same matrix omega square 1 omega omega square omega square 1. So if you calculate this, how much we get it, guys? So tell me answer for this, Ashish. You tell me answer for this. If it is easy question, tell me the answer for this one. What is the answer for this one, Ashish? So isn't it a difficult question? Answer is, what is the answer, guys? P square should not be 0. Guys, he's asking P square should not be 0. But here if you calculate this, are we getting 0, 0, 0 or not? Are we getting 0, 0, 0 or not? See, for n is equals to 3, we are getting 0, guys. For n is equals to 3, we are getting 0. What does that mean? For n is equals to 3, we get 0. P square is equals to 0. For n is equals to 6, we get P square is equals to 0. That means for multiples of 3, P square is becoming 0. Clear? What does that mean? P square when it should not be equals to 0. Except for first option, all options are satisfying. Why all options are P square not equals to 0 is because P square is 0 only for if n is multiple of 3. N is equals to 3, n is equals to 6. All this we're getting it. Correct, Asim, you're right. So, because here 57 is a multiple of 3. So, for n is equals to 57, P square is becoming 0. Remaining all options 55, 58, 56. These are not multiples of 3. So, that's why option B, C, D, P square cannot be 0. Only for option A, P square will be 0. So, first option got eliminated. Remaining 3 options will be the answer. Correct? Everyone understood this? Perfect. Chalo, let's move to the next one, guys. So, second, third, fourth. These 3 are the correct answers. Okay? Right. Chalo, next question. So, next question is the matrix, horizontal matrix. It's a row matrix, guys. Row matrix ABC and 198 3 by 3 matrix is equals to 0, 0, 0. If the point P if the point P A comma B comma C with reference to the first equation lies on the plane 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1, then the value of 7a plus b plus c is how much? Okay. So guys, do this question. So 3 questions we have, guys. This is a 2.1 and this is a 2.2 and this is 2.3. 3 questions are there. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Delhi Technology University. I don't know much about Delhi Technology University, but NITs are better, right? Compared to Delhi Technology University. Right. So let's do the first question. So here we can able to calculate ABC values easily. Why? Because 3 equations will get it. When you solve it, we get 3 equations. What are these 3 equations? A plus 8B plus 7C is equals to 0. This is one equation. And another equation is 9A plus 2B plus 3C is equals to 0. And then A plus B plus C is equals to 0. Actually, it is 7A plus 7B plus 7C is equals to 0. But we can write it as A plus B plus C 0. So ranking is good, huh? 32, na ranking? Okay. Right. So what is the answer for this, guys? 2.1, you tell me. What is the answer for 2.1? What is the answer for 2.1? First, we'll do the 2.1 question. So tell me, from this, what we can do is, we can take C is equals to K. Let's take C is equals to K, guys. If you take C is equals to K, so tell me how much we get it. Can we calculate B value and A value in terms of K? So C we are getting. 2.1 is D, guys. Correct answer is fourth option. 6 correct. Sumedh, you are right. 6 correct. Right. So C we can take it as K. So from this, ABC in terms of K, can I calculate guys? ABC in terms of K, can we calculate this? Easily we can calculate, right? Right. So what we can do here is, you can multiply the second equation with 2 and subtract. So what we get it? 7A plus C is equals to 0, but C is equals to K. So A is equals to minus K by 7. Okay, that's what we're getting it. Correct? Yes, Manas. So A value we calculated. So now can I calculate B value? What is B value, guys? See, A plus B plus C is equals to 0. C value we know it, A value we know it. From this, B is how much? Minus A means what? Plus K by 7. And minus B, minus C. Minus C is what? Minus K. So from this, minus 6K by 7. Okay, we got it. A, B, C ratios we got it. So from this, can I take it? A comma B comma C is equals to, we can multiply this 3 values with 7. So what we get it, guys? This is a minus K comma, and then B value is how much? Minus 6K comma 7K. Okay, these 3 values we are getting it. But these 3 values should lie on this plane. So can we substitute these 3 values in this plane? If you do that, how much we get it, guys? 2 times x, that is a minus 2k, minus 6k, plus 7k is equals to 1. So from this we can able to calculate k value. What is it? K is equals to minus 1. Substitute k value minus 1 here. If you substitute k value minus 1, ABC is becoming like 1, 6, minus 7. And then what he is asking, 7a plus b plus c. Let's calculate 7a plus b plus c. 7 plus 6 minus 7. How much we getting it? Are we getting 6, guys? So that's why 6 is the answer. Everyone understood this? How we calculated? We calculated ABC values in terms of K. In terms of K we calculated, and as it is lying on the plane. So in the plane equation we substituted these ABC values in terms of K. So and then K value I am getting minus 1. Again if I substitute K value here, the point is the ABC values are 1, 6, minus 7. So from that you can calculate 7a plus b plus c. Clear? Everyone understood this? Next, let's do the 2.2 question, guys. Let's do the 2.2 question. Let b is equals to 6 and a and c satisfying equation 1, and alpha and beta are the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta whole power n. So let's do this question, guys. Same question. Again same question. Same equation. So let me arrange all this. Okay, so I'll write here. So here b value he gave. So if you substitute b value here, b value is how much? B is equals to minus 6k by 7 is equals to 6 if you equate it. K is how much we're getting it? Minus 7 we're getting it. Let's substitute k value here, guys. K value if you substitute here. So how much we get it? ABC value is how much we're getting it? A comma B comma C we are getting like. A value is what? A value is 1 we're getting it. B value is what? B value is 6 already we got it. And C value is what? C value is minus 7. Okay, we got this. 1 comma 6 comma minus 7. Correct now? Now what he is saying, ax square plus bx plus c. So let's make a quadratic equation with these ABC values. Isn't it x square plus 6x minus 7 is equals to 0? What are the roots of this equation, guys? Alpha and beta. Alpha and beta, how much we getting it? Alpha and beta we're getting like minus 7 and plus 1 only, right? Correct? Minus 7 and plus 1. So alpha is minus 7 and beta is plus 1. So now let's calculate this part, guys. Let's calculate this part. So if you calculate this part here, so tell me what we get it. Sigma n is equals to 0 to infinite. So here we can write it as alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta we know it. What is it? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 6. Alpha beta is minus 7. Whole power n. So this is like 6 by 7 whole power 0 plus 6 by 7 whole power 1. Is it infinite ZP or not, guys? Is it infinite ZP or not? So on up to infinite. What is the formula for that? A by 1 minus r only, right? Correct? So how much we getting it? Are we getting 7? Yes. So second option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Option B is correct. Correct. Tushar, you are right. Sumed, you are right. Everyone understood how we got option B? Clear? It's a infinite ZP whose common ratio is 6 by 7 and first term is 1. So if you use infinite ZP formula, what is infinite ZP formula? A by 1 minus R. This is infinite ZP formula. If you use this, we get the answer easily. Correct? Yes, exactly. Correct. So now third question we need to do it, guys. So we need to do the third question. Let's do the third question. Okay, right. Let me erase all this, guys. Right. Let's erase all this. Now tell me, guys, what he is saying. Omega be the solution of x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. That is cube roots of unity. And imaginary part of omega greater than 0. So omega is equals to, you can take it like this, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. This is omega. And A is given as 2. If A is equals to 2, can I calculate B value and C value? Easily we can calculate, right? Satisfying this equation, then the value of this. Okay, let's substitute A value is equals to 2, guys, here. If you substitute A value 2 here, so first equation we are getting is A plus 8B plus 7C is equals to 0. That is the equation. If you substitute A is equals to 2 here, 8B plus 7C is equals to minus 2. Okay, this is the first equation. What is the second equation? If you substitute it in the second equation, third equation you take it. A plus B plus C is equals to 0. So from this B plus C is equals to minus 2. Clear? From this, let's calculate B value and C value from these two equations, guys. What you can do is you can subtract these two equations. If you subtract these two, 7B plus 6C is equals to 0. Correct? And then 6B plus 6C is equals to minus 12. And then subtract these two equations. B is equals to 12. We are getting it. And what is C, guys? See how much we're getting it. If you substitute B value here, 12. C value is minus 14. Okay. C value and B value we calculated. So all the three values we calculated basically. As he gave A value already. A value is how much? A value is 2, right? A value is 2. So A2, B12, C minus 14. Let's calculate all this. Let's substitute all these values here. If you substitute all these values here, this is 3 by omega power A. Omega power A means omega square plus 1 by omega power B. That is omega power 12 plus 3 by omega power C. Omega power C is omega power minus 14. So if you simplify this, 3 by omega square is 3 omega only. And this is 1 only, guys. Plus, this is what, guys? If you multiply both numerator and denominator with omega power 14. So this is 3 into omega power 14. But omega power 14 is omega square only. Correct, now? What is the answer? So tell me, guys, how much we getting it? 1 plus 3 times omega plus omega square. So omega plus omega square is how much? Minus 1. So total how much we getting it? Are we getting minus 2? Yes. Minus 2 is the answer. First option is the answer, guys. Clear? Clear now? Everyone understood this? How I calculated? Any doubts in this? Anyone has any doubts? Everyone understood this or not? Right, perfect. Perfect. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Very good, guys. Chalo. Next question. Guys, do this question, everyone. This is also again a passage question. This is 3.1 and this is 3.2 and then this is 3.3. Guys, start doing this question. P be a odd prime number and TP be the following set of 2 cross 2 matrices. Yeah, Amrit, what is the doubt you have? Previous question you have doubt? Do you have doubt in the previous question? Okay. Okay, which one you have doubt? Which one you have doubt? 2.1 or 2.2 or 2.3? Okay, chalo. Let's move to the third question, guys. Yeah, third question is P be the odd prime number, TP be the following set of 2 by 2 matrices. So 3.1 you're asking? Sumedh, yeah, correct. 3.1, fourth option is answer. Correct. Correct. So guys, what you can do is for this question, you can take a substitution. Why? Because P is any odd prime number. You can take P is equals to 3 or P is equals to 5. You can take it and verify the option that you can do it. CSC in top NITs if you want, your rank should be below 1000 or below 2000. So that means your percentile should be something like 99.9 or something. So that means you should get marks something around 240 marks. 240. If you get more than 240, then you will be in top NITs and you will get CSC. Okay. Right. So guys, what you can do here is you can take P value. P value, any substitution you can take it. Like P is equals to 3 or P is equals to 5. Any substitution you can take it. If you take any substitution, you get the answer easily. Okay. So let's take P is equals to 3, guys. Why? Because if you take P is equals to 3, third option and fourth option becoming same. If I take P is equals to 5, then second option and fourth option is becoming same. Correct, na? So maybe you can take some bigger substitution like P is equals to 7, you can take it. Then in that case, you will get it correct. If you take P is equals to 7 and verify the options, you get the answer easily. So let me try this way, guys. You have done by using substitution only. Okay, that good. It's good. Right. So let's see what he's asking. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A are number of matrices. Number of A in TP such that determinant of A is not divisible by P. Okay. It should not be divisible by P, guys. So what you can do is you take P is equals to 7, you take it. Why? Because if you take P is equals to 7, easily you can differentiate the options. Okay. So we'll discuss 3.1 and remaining we can skip it. Why? Because same concept we have. So I'll take P is equals to 7. If I take P is equals to 7, what I get it? A is equals to A, B, C, A, I'll get it. Where A, comma, B, comma, C belongs to 0, 1, 2, so on up to 6. Why? Because we have taken P is equals to 7. So 7 minus 1, which is going to be 6. Now, how many matrices in this set TP such that determinant of A is not divisible by 7? Okay, what is a determinant is, guy? If you calculate determinant of A, we are getting A square minus BC. A square minus BC should not be divisible by 7. That's what he's asking. Okay. So what we'll do is, first total number of matrices we'll calculate. How many matrices we have? See, A we can take different value, B we can take different value, C we can take different value. 3 values we need to select. To select 3 values, how many possibilities we have? 7 cube possibilities are there. 7 cube possibilities. That means P cube possibilities are there. To calculate total number of matrices, but out of these total number of matrices, how many matrices which are divisible by 7? So it has to be divisible by 7 means, suppose if I take either B0, C0 and A is equals to 0, that is a one case. A0 and either B0 or C0. Suppose if I take B0 or C0, if I take B0, C0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is 7 possibilities are there for C. And if I take C0, I will take 6 possibilities. So total 6 into 7, 42 possibilities are there. Correct. And then any more possibilities are there for a square minus bc is a multiple of 7, guys. A square minus bc multiple of 7 means a square minus bc, either it should be 0 or it should be 7 or it should be 14, like this. So when you calculate all these possibilities, already here 42 possibilities are there. Clear? So remaining possibilities also, if you calculate how many possibilities we should get, it is total 49 possibilities we should get it. So what we can do is the required answer should be 7 cube minus 7 square. Which option is satisfying that? Fourth option is satisfying it. Clear now? Everyone understood this? So that's how we can take a simple substitution. P is equals to 7 or P is equals to 5. Any odd number you take it, any odd prime number you take it. And let's calculate the total number of cases and verify the option. That's it. You get the answer easily. Clear now? Like this way, same way, we can analyze the second part and third part also. Okay? Right. Chalo. Let's move to the next question, guys. Yeah, this is the next question we have. Tushar, you didn't understand? Total number of cases we are calculating. Where a square minus bc 0. First case we are calculating where a square minus bc 0. Where a square minus bc equals to 7. 3.2 now. Okay, what is 3.2? Number of matrices TP such that the trace of A is not divisible by P, but determinant of A is divisible by P. So trace of A not divisible by P means what, guys? Here trace is what? Trace is 2A. 2A is not divisible by P means what? A should not be taken as 0. Correct na? Tushar, understood? Why? Because 2A should not be divisible by 2A should not be divisible by P means what? A cannot be P. Why? Because we are taking numbers between 0 to P minus 1 only. Correct? So A should not be 0. That's it. If you calculate A should not be 0 and the determinant of A divisible by P, already divisible by P, already we discussed in 3.1. But in that, wherever A is 0, that cases we need to subtract. Correct? Exactly. Right. Chalo guys. Let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So matrix A is given and A, B, C are real positive numbers and A, B, C is given as 1. A transpose into A is I. Then find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So guys, do this question. Everyone do this question. A transpose into A is I, guys. That means what? Is it orthogonal matrix? Guys, is it orthogonal matrix? Clear? Right. So what is the condition for orthogonal matrix, guys? Condition for orthogonal matrix is we have two important properties for orthogonal matrix. One is if you take any row or any column, and calculate the sum of the squares of the elements, we should get 1. This is the first condition we have. This is a property of orthogonal matrix. Why? Because A transpose into A is equals to I means it's a orthogonal matrix. Sum of the squares of any row or any column is equals to 1. That is the first condition. What is the second condition? Second condition is sum of the products of any two rows or any two columns should be equals to 0. That means AB plus BC plus CA should be equals to 0. By using these two conditions, can we calculate A cube plus B cube plus C cube? And ABC also given. ABC he gave it as 1. Third conditions he only gave ABC is equals to 1. So from this, can I calculate A cube plus B cube plus C cube, guys? 3 conditions we got it total. A square plus B square plus C square is 1. AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 1. And then what is A cube plus B cube plus C cube? That's what he's asking. Okay. So right. So we have any formula for A cube plus B cube plus C cube, guys? We have any formula to calculate A cube plus B cube plus C cube? Can we write it as A plus B plus C whole square, whole cube? A cube plus B, A plus B plus C whole cube. And then okay. See, A cube plus B cube plus C cube, we have A plus B plus C whole cube minus A plus B plus C into, correct na? 1 second guys. We need to obtain the relation between all these three guys. We need to obtain the relation between a cube plus b cube plus c cube, a square b square c square, ab plus bc plus ca, and abc. Can we find this? ABC is equals to 1. Right. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube in terms of a square b square c square, ab plus bc plus ca, abc. Can we write it? Can we obtain the relation between these? AB plus BC plus CA, A square plus B square plus C square. Right, so we can write it this way guys. A plus B plus C whole cube will calculate. Let's see what we get it. A plus C B plus C whole square, if we calculate, we get it like this. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA into A plus B plus C. Can we write it this way guys? Can we write it this way? Correct. AB plus BC plus CA is 0. This part is becoming 0 guys. This part is becoming 0. Correct. Can we say it like this? Right. So remaining part, how much we getting it? Remaining part is coming like A square plus B square plus C square into A plus B plus C, we are getting it. So now when we multiply this, let's see guys what we get it. So how much we get it? A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus. So tell me guys, A square plus B square plus C square, we know it. 1 guys. This we're getting 1. Into remaining part, how much we get it guys? This is 1 only. So 1 into A plus B plus C, we get it. So from this finally what we get it is, 1 second guys. This is 1 actually. This is 1 actually. So we will get it A plus B plus C, we get it guys. So if we equate these two, what we get it guys? A plus B plus C whole cube is equals to A plus B plus C, we are getting it. Correct? So that means what? A plus B plus C, either it should be 0 or A plus B plus C. It should be 1 or it should be minus 1. These are the possibilities we are getting it. Correct now? Guys, is it clear? A plus B plus C whole square into A plus B plus C, when we calculate, A square plus B square plus C square is 1 and AB plus BC plus CA 0. So finally we are getting A plus B plus C whole square is equals to 1 or minus 1, we are getting it. Correct? So A plus B plus C whole square is 1 means A plus B plus C, either it should be 1 or minus 1. So from this, can we calculate A cube plus B cube plus C cube guys? If A plus B plus C is equals to 1, can we able to calculate? So answer is 4 guys. So let's see how we got this. We got A plus B plus C value, we are getting it, which is plus or minus 1, we are getting it in the previous question, previous result. Answer 4, we are getting it. A plus B plus C plus or minus 1, we are getting it. So why? Because when we square it, A plus B plus C whole square is coming 1. So A plus B plus C is either plus 1 or minus 1. So from this we need to calculate. Okay, we'll do one thing. As we got A plus B plus C is equals to 1, AB plus BC plus CA. How much we got it guys? We got 0. Right, so we can write it like this. If you take A common, B plus C. plus BC is equals to 0 and ABC is 1. ABC is equals to 1. And then we can substitute BC value here. If you substitute BC value here, what we get it, guys? A into B plus C value we can substitute here. B plus C value is plus R minus 1 minus A. And BC value is 1 by A is equals to 0. From this, how much we get it, guys? If you take LCM, A square plus R minus 1 minus A plus 1 is equals to 0. So finally what we're getting is plus R minus A square minus A cube is equals to minus 1 we are getting it. Now if you multiply with minus 1, A cube is equals to plus R minus A square plus 1 we're getting it. Correct na? So now same way B cube we can calculate plus R minus B square plus 1. C cube plus R minus C square plus 1. Now you add these three. Now you add these three, guys, you will get the answer. So if you add these three, what we get it is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3 plus R minus A square plus B square plus C square we get it. But A square plus B square plus C square already we know it, which is 1. So if you substitute here, how much we get it, guys? 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4 we get it. Clear na? So guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? Yeah, determinant of orthogonal matrix is plus or minus 1. Correct. So when we substitute B plus C value, BC value here, we are getting A cube is equals to A square plus 1, B cube is equals to B square plus 1, C cube is equals to C square plus 1. And when we add all this, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3 plus A square plus B square plus C square. But A square plus B square plus C square already we know it, which is 1. So that's how we're getting 4. Clear now? Right, perfect. Chalo guys, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. Z is given as omega. Clearly we can say that this is omega, guys. Z is equals to omega he gave. And R value is R and S value 1, 2, 3. So P value, P matrix is given and I is the identity matrix of order 2. Then the total number of ordered pairs R comma S for which P square is minus I. P square is minus I. Let's calculate P square now. So P square is what, guys? Minus omega whole power R into omega whole power 2s, and here also omega power 2s, and here omega power R into same matrix again, minus omega whole power R into omega power 2s into omega power 2s into omega power R. Let's multiply this. Let's see what we get it. So when you multiply this, minus omega power R into minus omega power R is omega power 2R. Correct or not? And then omega power 2s plus omega power 2s, which is omega power 4s. This is the first element. Next, the second element is what? Second element is omega power 2s minus R plus omega power 2s plus R. That's what we're getting, guys. Next, third element. Same way we can calculate the third element. Let's calculate the third one. So third one is what we get it. Omega power 2s minus R plus omega power 2s plus R. Next, last element, guys. Last element is what? Omega power 4s plus omega power 2R. This we need to equate it to minus I. That is minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Now we get two equations. What are those two equations? First equation we get it as, first equation we are getting it as omega power 2R plus omega power 4s is equals to minus 1. This is the first equation. Next, the second equation is omega power 2s minus R plus omega power 2s plus R is equals to 0. Okay, that's what we're getting, guys. So now we need to solve these two equations. If we solve these two equations, how many will get it? How many matrices will get it? That's what we need to calculate. S value can be 1, 2, 3 values we can substitute. S value, R value. And what is the possible value of R and S? Tell me, guys, what is the possible value of R and S which satisfies these two equations? 4 we can't take it. See, yes we can take it 1, 2, 3 only. S and R, either 1, 2, 3. These three values only we should take it. Correct? So tell me guys, how much we get it? R value, how much we getting it? Can I take R is equals to 1 and S is equals to 1? Let's check it. If I take R1 and S1, how much we get it? Let's check it. Fourth equation. What is the fourth equation? Same, right? Two equations only we're getting, right? Just into this. Minus omega square, which is omega square, omega power 2r into omega power 4s. Correct only, right? Okay, right. If you substitute R is equals to 1, S is equals to 1, yes, it is satisfying it. So clearly we can say that it is satisfying. First equation, it is satisfying, guys. Let's discuss the second equation. If you discuss the second equation here, what we get it, guys? R is equals to 1, S is equals to 1. Omega plus omega cube. So we are not getting 0. 1 second, we'll just check it again. Total number of ordered pairs R and S. For any value of S and R, second equation, will it satisfy, guys? Second equation for any value of S and R, will it satisfy? Why it will become 0 first of all? We won't get 0. Let's check it again. I think something we are missing out here. Okay, so one thing is, I think here we have done some mistake we have done while calculating this. First one is correct only. Second one we are getting wrong, guys. Second one and third one we are doing mistake here. Let's calculate these two elements again. So guys, let's calculate these two elements again. That's why we are getting second equation wrong. Let's calculate the second element and third element again, guys. Second element is what? Second element is like minus omega power R into omega power 2s plus omega power 2s plus R. That's what we're getting it. Same thing we get it here. Same thing we get it here. Minus omega power R into omega power 2s plus omega power R into omega power 2s. So now we should equate it to 0. So if we equate it to 0, minus omega power R into omega power 2s plus omega power R into omega power 2s is equals to 0. Correct? This is correct, guys. Now tell me, what is the value of R and S? You tell me. R and S, what is the possible values? Why? Because see, compulsory R should be odd number, guys. R should be odd number means maybe 1 we can take it, or maybe 3 we can take it, but 3 we can't take it here. Why? Because if you take omega 3 here, R is equals to 3 here, omega power 6 will become 1. So now it should not happen. So 3 we can't take it. So compulsory R is equals to 1. So then what is the value of S, guys? S is how much? S we can't take 1. Why? Because here if you take R is equals to 1, this is becoming like omega square plus omega or omega power 4 should be equals to minus 1. So that means here we should take 1. Correct or not? Either we should take 1 we can take it. What about 2? 2 we can't take it. 3 we can't take it. So compulsory R should be 1 and S should be 1, guys. That is the only substitution satisfying. R is equals to 1 and S is equals to 1. If you substitute it in the first equation, yes, satisfying it. Omega square plus omega power 4 is equals to minus 1. Correct. What about second equation? If you substitute it in the second equation, what we get it, guys? If you substitute R is equals to 1 minus omega into omega square plus omega power 1 into omega square. Yes, it is equals to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So only this set of values satisfying. R is equals to 1 and S is equals to 1. That is the only possible value, guys. R is equals to 1 and S is equals to 1. Clear? So that's how we're getting only one possible solution. Guys, is it clear now? Everyone understood this? Right. Chalo guys, let's move to the next question. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So theta should lie between 0 to pi by 3. Then determinant of this matrix should be equals to 0. Then what is the value of theta? So we need to calculate the value of theta guys. So what we can do? We can apply some row operations here. R1 is equals to R1 minus R2, we can do it. And R3 is equals to R3 minus R2, we can do it. So let's see if we do this, what we get it. So tell me, if you apply these operations, these two operations, if you do it. So R1 minus R2 means what? 1 minus 1, 0. Next, second row we are not changing anything. Second row we will keep it same. And third row is changing guys. R3 minus R2 we are doing it. Here 0, here minus 1, here 1 we get it is equals to 0. Now let's expand this. If you expand this, what do we get it? So we can expand first row guys. First row we can expand it. If you expand first row, 1 plus sine square theta plus 4 cos 6 theta. Next, plus 1 into, why? Because minus of minus 1 plus 1 into. So tell me guys, how much we get it? Cos square theta we get it is equals to 0. So from this, so tell me guys, what we get it? 4 cos 6 theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So is equals to 0. From this, cos 6 theta is how much guys? Cos 6 theta is minus 1 by 2. So from this, can I write cos 6 theta is equals to? Cos 6 theta is equals to cos of. So maybe you can take it in second quadrant guys. Second quadrant, what angle we can take it? Second quadrant, can we take it as 2 pi by 3 or something? So from this, 6 theta is 2 pi by 3. In that case, 6 theta is how much guys? Theta is how much? Theta is equals to pi by 9 we are getting it. Yes, we are getting first option. Guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? Why we are getting pi by 9? So theta is equals to pi by 9 we are getting. Theta is equals to pi by 9. So first option is asked. Any doubts guys? Anyone has any doubts? Clear? Okay, perfect. Next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Sum of the real roots of the equation. So he's asking real roots. So when we calculate, we may get cubic equation or quadratic equation. We don't know actually. So let's calculate it. You didn't understand, Tusha? Previous question you didn't understand. See, we applied row operations, guys. In place of R1, R1 minus R2. In place of R3, R3 minus R2. R1 minus R2. First row minus second row. We got 1 minus 1, 0. Same way. Third row minus first row. When we do third row minus first row, we get 0 minus 1, 1. And then we expanded. Determinant we expanded. And cos 6 theta is minus 1 by 2. And then 6 theta is equals to 2 pi by 3. And theta is equals to pi by 9. Correct. Right. Next question. Sum of the real roots of this equation. So let's multiply this. Let's see what we get it when you multiply it directly. Without using any row operations, column operations. Directly multiply it, guys. Let's see what we get. X into minus 3x square minus 6x. And then a minus 2x square plus 6x. Next, plus 6 into, how much you get it guys? 2x plus 4 plus 3x minus 9. Next, minus 1 into 4x minus 9x is equals to 0. Let's simplify this. Let's simplify this. If you simplify this, how much we get it guys? 6x cancelled. And how much you getting it? Minus 5x cube we're getting it. plus 30x I am getting it. And then how much we getting, guys? Four minus 9 minus 5, 6 minus 5 minus 30 is equals to 0. That's what we're getting it. Correct now? And one more we forgot here. Plus 5x we forgot. Right. So total how much we getting, guys? Minus 5x cube plus 35x minus 30 is equals to 0. Still we can simplify this. So x cube minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. So what is one root, guys? Can I take x equals to 1 is one root? X equals to 1 is one root. What is the other two roots, guys? Other two roots are what? If x equals to 1 is one root. See, sum of the roots is 0. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 0. So gamma value is 1, let's say. Alpha plus beta is how much? Minus 1. Next, product of the roots is how much, guys? Alpha, beta, gamma. Gamma is anyway 1. Alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus 6. That means the sum of the roots 1, minus 1 and product of the roots minus 6. So we can make a quadratic equation with this. X square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Are we getting any roots, guys? X value. 2 is one root and minus 3 is the other root. So 3 roots we are getting, guys. 1, 2, minus 3. 3 roots we are getting it. What is the sum of these roots? Are we getting 0? Are we getting 0, guys? Sum of the roots, are we getting 0? Correct, right? So that's what he's asking. Sum of the roots is how much? Yes, 0 is the answer. Correct. So we'll do one more question, guys. Delta 1 and delta 2 are given. So delta 1 plus delta 2 and delta 1 minus delta 2. Okay. So what I can do for this question is, I can take any substitution, guys. I can take any substitution. Something like x value we can take substitution, or theta value can we take substitution, any substitution. So let's take theta is equals to 0, guys. Theta we can't take 0 here, but theta is almost to take 0. Theta value is almost 0, you take it. 0.001, something like this you take it. In that case, delta 1 is how much? Delta 1 is x0, 1, 0 minus x1, 1, 1, x only, right? So let's calculate this. How much we get it? Correct. So here I am taking theta is equals to 0, almost 0 I am taking. So let's calculate in terms of x. So tell me what we get it. X into minus x square minus 1 and then plus 1 into x. So total how much we getting, guys? Minus x cube we are getting it. Okay. Delta 1 we calculated and we got minus x cube. So what about delta 2? Delta 2 also we'll calculate. Delta 2 is what? Delta 2 also same thing we get it, guys. Delta also same thing we get it or not? Same matrix we get it, correct or not? See here. 1, 1, x. Same matrix we get it, guys. That means that delta 2 also same value we're getting it, minus x cube. So delta 1, delta 2 both are becoming minus x cube, minus x cube. In the options, which option is satisfying, guys? Tell me. In the options, delta 1, delta 2 both are minus x cube, got it. In the option, which option is satisfying this? Is it third option satisfying? Only third option satisfying. Minus x cube is minus 2x cube. Are we getting the answer easily? Without doing the original method, guys, without doing the original method, we are just taken theta is equals to 0. If I take theta 0, I am getting delta 1 easily. Delta 2 and delta 2 are same. Why? Because both the matrices are same. So obviously, determinants also same. So if the determinant is same, and if we add it, we're getting minus x cube. Only third option is satisfying. That's it. That is the answer. Guys, clear now? Right. Perfect, guys. So that's it for today. So guys, next class is going to be on Monday. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, night 9:30 p.m. we'll have YouTube session. Okay. So chalo guys, see you in the next class then everyone. Bye guys. Take care.